Hi, Rob.Kavanaugh here again with Guaranty RV here in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to show you this 2014 Forest River Georgetown model number 377XL. It's in great shape. Full body paint, 3 very large slide outs. It's got the 22.5-inch wheels and frameless windows. Even though this is a 2014, you wouldn't know it. It looks great on the outside and really good on the inside. Let's go have a look. So this motorhome, as with most Class A's, it's on a Ford chassis, the F53 chassis, and the tried and true Ford Triton V10. This motorhome has really nice colors, traditional dark wood. I don't see a scratch on nearly nothing here on the wood here. It's lots of cabinet space. The front here is very nice. These chairs look flawless. It's like a leatherette style chair, and you can just tell they're high-end chairs, and very, very nice. Not worn at all. As we move into the living room here, you can see the dinette booth here. It's beautiful, real wood, very soft material here. There's no real wear and tear on it. It looks very nice. As we move into the kitchen galley area, a very large microwave. It's also a convection oven. You can do a lot of cooking here. And then you have the standard gas burner stove. Solid surface countertops. Very nice. Stainless steel sinks, and you got 2 of them, plus the pull-out. Lots of counter space here. Still has the covers to do some work. Fits just like that. Lots of cabinet space. You got an extender. And look at the floors. Obviously, it's not carpet. This is solid surface. It's high-end. It's a very nice material. Look at this. You wouldn't know it that this refrigerator is in an RV because it's a residential refrigerator. It is a full-size refrigerator. It's big and beautiful. There's not a scratch on it, on the stainless steel here. And then in the living room, you've got a built-in 50-inch TV that's hooked up. You've got a gas fireplace, and you've got this sectional sofa which extends out. So you could fit 4 or 5 people here and watch TV, have the fire going. Beautiful, very beautiful. There's also room for an additional chair if you'd like to put a chair here. So you have a lot of living room space here. As we move back, you have your control panels here, a real large door, and actually a very large bathroom with a modern sink. And this is a very unique feature on a gas motor coach, even a coach that's 37 feet long. It actually has a door, a real door to the bedroom. It's not a slide door. It is actually a real bedroom door. You've got a queen bed with a queen mattress with 1 slide out here. You got windows next to the bed and the headboard, so you can lean back, you can read, do all kinds of things. You got a 32-inch TV that's built in up here. Lots of cabinet space with mirrors. And guess what? Yeah, a washer and dryer combo. So this motorhome is built to travel with small or big families. It's a little over 37 feet. Lots of space. You got the dedicated bedroom. You got a large bathroom. You've got an extraordinarily large living room space here, all in 37 feet. This is a 2014 Forest River Georgetown. Come on out to Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Ask for me, Rob.Kavanaugh. I'd be happy to show this motorhome to you or any other motorhome. Have a great day.